Welcome to Fine Woodworking News for July 19th. I'm Ben Strano, and I turned off the air conditioner for this. No, I think I already did that one. Welcome to Fine Woodworking News for May 10th. I'm Ben Strano, and I'm not closing the window. It's too nice. You'll just have to deal with the noise. Welcome to Fine Woodworking News for July 19th. I'm Ben Strano, and it's a little known fact that ukulele mold cutouts, when they go wrong, just turn into push sticks eventually. This should be a quick one. There's not that much, but there's some cool stuff. Let's get started. Woodpeckers has a one-time tool. It's a 12-in-1 layout tool. I'm going to argue with 12. There's certainly a lot of things this thing does, but dividers it ain't. I'm sorry. I guess in a pinch, it's a pair of dividers. I don't know. You watch the video and you tell me if you think it's 12. Also, Woodpeckers has, this is super cool, the iron grip small parts holder. I think this is neat. It is basically just it's a holder for holding small parts, like the name implies, but totally adjustable. You can really crank down and hold things. And the problem with working with small parts with dangerous woodworking tools is how you're going to hold them. And I think this thing answers a lot of those questions. $149.99. These are cool. They have new clamps for the panel router that I'm sure they would work on other fixturing devices as well. But these are 360-degree clamps, super heavy duty, and those look awesome, but these look like a dream. It is air compressor powered pneumatic clamping like a big industrial machine or something on your panel router. It's so cool. It's so stinking cool. The Society of Arts and Crafts has announced the upcoming John D. Mineck Furniture Fellowship cash award of $25,000, which is awarded annually to a furniture artist. The award is administered by the Society of Arts and Crafts. Past recipients: Will Tracy, Libby Schrum, Bart Niswanger, Nick Hollabaugh, Vivian Beer, Kimberly Winkle, Sarah Marriage, Anna Evelyn, Jack Malch, Tom Shields, Beatrice Majorca, Aspen Golan, Jamie Herman, Sophie Glenn. These are some heavy hitters in the woodworking furniture world. And if you think that a $25,000 cash award doesn't allow them to become heavy hitters, doesn't buy them the freedom to spend a little bit more time on their craft and nailing it, you're wrong. Awards like this are super important to the craft as a whole, and I'm really, really glad to see the John D. Mineck Furniture Fellowship continue on. And if you want to apply, head on over, click the link below. I want to start sharing some gallery pieces on finewoodworking.com. And a lot of these are pieces that have been submitted by just random woodworkers who log onto the website and submit projects for our gallery. I love this piece. This is by A. Steiner, and they made a Moravian-style workbench that is carved to within an inch of its life. I love it. The whole thing is beautiful. The whole thing is wonderful. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Well done, A. Steiner. Just all right. Lee Valley has a couple of Sawtills that they're selling. It looks like Baltic birch or multiply plywood construction, and there's magnets. We always love magnets to hold your saws. They have an 8 Sawtill and I believe a 4 Sawtill. Kind of cool. Woodcraft is selling the Jessam Excel 2 basic router table package for those of you who want to spend more than I spent on my first car on a router table. If you got it, flaunt it. I'm sure this thing is amazing. Fancy router tables are really awesome, and heck yeah. Rockler has a couple of like weird storage rack holders that are legitimately cool though. A T-Track accessory storage rack. You got a bunch of T-Track stuff, you want to hang it on the wall, there you go. A Rockler router bit and accessory storage rack, cool. A shop towel holder, cool. And Rockler dust-free shop trays. Also, for those of you who don't know about blue tape, Festool has a cover plate to cover the hole in the side of the saw so less dust escapes for $77. Garrett Wade is selling a precision engineered brass dovetail marker, a 1 to 5 degree edge and a 1 to 8 degree edge for $9.50. That's a nice price. And $229. Grizzly Pro T33300ZX 6 1/4 inch track saw bundle. It comes with 9 feet of track and a plunge saw, and the plunge saw has a riving knife. Again, I'm loving this price point. I don't know anything about this saw. I know that Grizzly's done a track saw in the past, but this seems new, or the bundle's new. But either way, $229 with free shipping. Wow. That's about all I got to say about that. So that's it for this episode of Fine Woodworking News. I think there's going to be a lot more things to come next week, probably, with AWFS Fair going on. We will have Asa Christiana and Amanda Russell at the AWFS Fair, and we hopefully will get some video from there. And if we do, we will share it here on the Fine Woodworking News. We'll see you in 2 weeks. Have a good one.